Hello guys, welcome to Golden Apple Aviation, and this is our A320 Prep series, and we are into a new chapter, electrical systems. We hope these sessions adds value to your A320 system knowledge. For any clarification, any doubt, please write it to us either on our social media handles or via email. Question: if battery voltage is below 25.5, so if battery voltage is below 25.5, what are you gonna do? Same thing, charge the battery. How do you charge it? To charge the battery, ask the ground to connect the external power, take the external power, put the both batteries to auto position, leave it for 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes, it should be charged. So the answer is, get external power connected to the aircraft and select it on. Then option Bravo, battery have to be charged and the charging cycle of 20 minutes is required. So Alpha Bravo, both are correct. Third is, start the APU and batteries will charge themselves. So third is not correct, obviously. First and second, both of them are correct. Next, can you start APU while aircraft is on batteries? Of course, you can start a APU on batteries. There is no restriction for that. Going forward, next question is asking for charging the battery. BAT1 options are BAT1 PV and BAT2 PV must be at auto and external power should be on. Absolutely correct. We have already discussed how to charge the battery. So Alpha option is correct. Next, during charging of the battery, check the electrical page and check if the battery contactor is open and batteries are charging. So go to electrical page, check the battery contactor is open. So if battery contactor is open, then how battery will be charged? So it should be, the correct answer should be battery contactor should be closed and then only battery will be charged. So whenever battery is getting charged, go to electrical page, check the battery contactor is in closed position. Then only battery will be charged. And once it is charged, it will automatically get disconnected. Okay, next question is, what is the meaning of green avail light in an external power PV? So go to the electrical panel. On an electrical panel, here is the external power push button. Now there are two legend on an external power. One, you will see green avail. If green avail comes on this external power, what does that mean? So if you see green avail on an external power PV, this means the external power is connected, but you have not taken the power. It is just available to you. You have not taken it. So answer to this question should be, external power is plugged in and the parameters are normal.